Hello, Russell. So, I'm in talking about how to track focus keywords for certain pages. So, in SEMrush, you can only see those words or those pages after they rank. It doesn't let you like enter them in and see them when they're at 0. They're either on there or they're not. If they are on there, it means they rank in the top 100 for that keyword. So the thing that we have to make sure that we're doing is, first of all, that all of these keywords are in the project. So for architect, that we're tracking all of these 3 keywords, right? Focus keywords. And then the next thing we need to do is check and see what pages are ranking. And when we see that one of these pages ranks, then we go ahead and put the rank in here. That way we know that it's ranking. Our goal is to get all of these pages to rank for these keywords. I mean, ideally to get them all to rank number 1, but of course they're not going to. So that's how we're going to track keywords.